I'm going to be showing how to make a parachute cord harness for a balisong. Pretty much anyone that has horns, you can wear it around your neck like this, or you can slip it around your arm so you can have the knife under your shoulder. You just twist it, pull out. Alright, to make it, you're going to need a piece of parachute cord about 3.5 feet long. Burn the ends of it. Fold it in half. Hold it like this, so you got a loop up here. Fold the loop backwards, so you got 2 loops. Then fold one loop through the other loop. That makes a slip knot. That's the part that holds the knife. Then at the end, just take both ends, put them through the same knot, and that's it. Alright, if you simply pull on it, the knife won't come out. For it to come out, you gotta twist. That unloosens the loop, then you pull out.